Let's go down to the daily chart. Let's go up to the daily chart and get out of this. Let's clean this up for a second so you guys can see what's actually going on. Then we'll layer it up. Here we are with Bitcoin coming over here and touching this 50 moving average once again. We have a doji candle kind of trying to be made. We see the buyers pushing it up. Can it hold above the 50 moving average is the big question. Now, is the market over if we break underneath the 50 moving average? No. But you do have to say, hey, most likely it's going to come down to this point of control, which is 96,000 and a half, right? 96,000 and a half for BTC. And if it didn't hold this, that it would actually fill this gap right here and come a lot lower. That doesn't mean that the whole market's over, but it will shake the sentiment of the overall market. So right now, we're still above the 50 moving average. We're still holding very strong. The market's looking strong even with everything that's going on. And I think the more that we pass around the word of how Bitcoin can actually be this hedge against a lot of things happening in the world, this is going to become more and more powerful. I don't think it will remove the short-term volatility as far as Bitcoin or any other asset in the cryptocurrency market, but over time, I can see how. Why wouldn't you want to have that ease of access, right? Hold on, I got to get my bricks of gold. Exactly. You know how heavy that's going to be? You know how hard that's going to be to move around? But if you want to get out of a situation, you're like, you know what, this country's collapsing. I want to get out of here. Let me pack up my family and take my crypto wallet, which is your phone or your tablet or your laptops, whatever it might be, or really just your seed phrase. Let's say everything got perished away and you have your seed phrases, and you know them. It doesn't matter where you're at in the world or you lose all your technology. If you got those seed phrases, you got access to your cryptocurrency. If you had to leave your country in a hurry and you weren't able to snatch everything up, there's no seed phrase for you to put in another country and your gold pops up in your safe. So there's a big level of security that, cryptocurrency gives you.